I'm doing all my mic work today with the Sena Prism, my 3-year-old Sena, which is getting a little bit glitchy, but been a wonderful camera. The communication with the Sena, power being you can put the camera up there 30 feet away and you can talk to it and it'll pick up everything as if it's right in front of you. Amazing reception that way. Kills all the other cameras that I have. But it's 1080/30 and it's average, and as far as that goes. But I love the little Sena. We went out and bought the GoPro Hero 7 black because of the stabilization. I don't expect it to be that much greater than the other cameras, but this little thing I'm going to show you right now will probably show you why the GoPro is going to stay in the family. It ain't going back to the store, that's for sure. So the first test will be the Mavic, 1080 60 frames per second, no filter. Mavic, go ahead, show us what we're doing here today. We'll take the eye on. This is the Sena attachment. It's somewhat familiar. It's a 1/4-20. We'll put the Ion on, and let's take the Ion up that hill. And around, you can see it's 1080/30. It's 2 years old. It's the Air Pro. Paid $130 for it. Its real strength is I could beat these other cameras to a pulp, and the Ion would still be working. It's the toughest little camera I've ever seen. The footage is, as you can see. Okay, next we're going to take the Sena. And just to give you a quick example, which anybody who owns a Sena knows this, it's wireless. So yeah. Bruised knee has no fear of me. It sounds like you're right on top of the camera, but I'm not. All I am now. 3 years old, paid $330. We came with a shitload of attachments. So did the Ion too, actually. But the Sena had a load of stuff, most of which I never use. 1080/30, you can see that it's quite vibratory. Its real strength is in the communications. Okay, camera number 3 will be the GoPro Hero Black 7. The first run will be with the stabilization off. 1080/60. Everything's nothing too fancy, just tried to keep it all automatic. And we go up and around. And then we're going to do the second test will be with the GoPro stabilization on, and you can see the difference. Okay, now as a final footnote, what the GoPro has done for me as far as filming, it's really a game changer in many ways for me, because all the other cameras are just no good as far as movement. Well, let me make a secondary footnote. It is a little bit, when you have it up front there and diving down, super wide or wide, I'm going to probably go and try linear. If you put your face too close to the screen, you can get a little bit green. I mean, really. But that's the only negative I really saw. If you step back a little bit from your screen, I got a big computer screen. If you step back a little, it's actually quite good. But that stabilization is wow. That means no more of these mounting stuff. I will never have this one on here again, or on here, or anywhere. If there's going to be anything on the bike that comes with vibration, it's going to be the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let's do the time warp again.